What's going on, guys? Welcome to JC's Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your rear bar on your E46 BMW. This is a 330 Ci, so it does have some additionals like parking sensors, but the general theory will be exactly the same. Alright, so there are two main pieces to this. In the center there are two bolts that one goes about here and one about here. They both hold the bar in the center on to the reinforcement, and the other piece is in here. It's got a few attachments we just need to remove for the liner to take that bar off. So now, first we're going to want to take off these clips. So you want to take it out just a little bit with a screwdriver if you can. Then I find it very easy, if you don't have a proper clip tool, grab some side cutters, do not cut it, just grab over the side and then you can pull it out. Next thing we're going to want to pull this liner out. So now once you've taken out that clip, just want to bring up your liner, push it out of the way. Okay, that's out. And now just pull the bar towards you, come off that clip, repeat for both sides. Alright, so going under the car. On this car I don't have a exhaust on at the moment because I'm stripping it, but here you can see very easy our T50 bolt. So there's two options. You can either remove the outer trim where the sensors are, or you can try and get under and remove both T50s. There's one on this side and one on the other side. Alright, so to remove the trim, you're going to want to go behind, just push on one of the tabs, and you'll get it out. And all you want to do is just pull with all the tabs. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my hand behind. You can feel these tabs. Yeah, but I'll show you. So you can see tab here, also one up here, and then they go further down, one over here. So what you just want to do is, for example, this one, push it down and push it out. So you can do that for all of them. Now, get behind, go to the other side. You just want to push on it. It's only clipped in, so once you get a couple, it pretty much gives you free access to all of them. So I'll move over here. So you want to just try and watch me, just wiggle like this, and you'll eventually wiggle all of them out. So yeah, so that's how you get this part off. So now I'm going to disconnect my sensors. To disconnect your sensor, push up here and just pull off. So now we have all four of our sensors off and that lower valance off. We can see up here, here is our T50. A little bit hard to see because it's dark. But here is our T50. So now we're going to get a T50 socket and take that side and the other side off. So your best option is to use an Allen key like this. You can try and use a socket, however there isn't much gap. So now just listen. You'll probably have to listen a couple of times before it gets to be finger tight. Okay, so now it's ready to use my fingers. So now take this one off, repeat for the other side. Alright, so here's our bolt. You can actually see how long this is in reality. You need to get this all the way out before you can take the bar off. So the best thing you want to do is get some tape and tape up this section. I'll show you why in a minute. So I'll give you a little pro tip. This is where our bolt is. Here is our bolt, what it looks like when it comes out. So I've taken the other side out. What we're going to do is put some tape here. So when we do take this down, we're not going to scratch the bar. I'll show you why now. So we're just going to loosen this bolt. We have to take it off this way, and you just want to play with it until it comes out. So you can see here we went through the tape. Imagine if that was our paint, we would have actually gone through our paint. Alright, so the way the bar is designed, it's actually made to slide out backwards and come off. So I'll show you here. I'm going to grab in the middle, grab one side, pull it off, and we can easily grab it from the center and pull the other side off. And there we are. So here is our bumper off. You can see here, this is where it slides into this bracket here, through here. That's why it won't come off sideways. Same for the other side. And that's it. So to refit, it's exact same as taking it off. Just slide the bars on either side, then you can put the center bolts in, then you can clip it on the side and you're finished.